Find or read reviews that people are talking about Superday Portable Washing Machine with longer hose. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Twin tub design. Superday Portable Washing Machine adopts a dual bucket design, with the washing bucket, 9.6 pounds, and the dewatering bucket, 6.4 pounds, running independently in different areas, allowing for simultaneous cleaning and spin drying. This mini washing machine is perfect for washing small and medium-sized clothes such as shirts, underwear, and baby clothes. The portable washer features a 1,300 RPM powerful motor, 250-watt washing power and 140-watt spinner power, saving much effort on washing. Also, clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. The transparent window allows you to see the process of washing or spinning. Our mini washer machine can achieve low consumption and save water, while free your hands. The apartment washing machine controls washing cycle is up to 15 minutes and the spinning cycle is up to 5 minutes each load, finish fast washing and saving you valuable time and washing modes, gentle, Norma, drain, which is free to set your timer and mode. Washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes while the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Feel free to choose any time to wash, effectively saving water and electricity. The size of 14.72 x 22.84 x 26.38 inches is suitable for limited space. No installation is required. Easy to move and transport to anywhere. Lightweight and space-saving design allows it easily fit in a bathroom or closet, ideal for camping trips, dormitories, apartments, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.